Hey there, welcome back to Gardening with Tracy. Today we're going to switch gears. Most of you know that my videos are on gardening. Well, today we're going to be doing a video on canning. We're going to can some strawberry jam, and although this is a different type of video, it is just as important as the gardening videos because canning is a vital part of gardening. You want to preserve that food, you want to put it up for a later use if you don't eat it right away, and this is a way that you can do that. I'm going to be doing more canning videos with different things that come out of the garden. So if this is the kind of stuff you're interested in, hit that subscribe button below, hit the like button, and we'll get you some more videos out there. Now, we're going to be doing strawberry jam. Did not grow these strawberries in my garden because my plants aren't big enough, and I don't have enough plants to get enough for a canning yet, but I got these from our local Amish community. They grow some beautiful produce, by the way, things that maybe I don't grow, I go out and get, or if I don't have enough of. But these strawberries are great, and we're going to be using these. I got a couple gallons of these for the recipe we've got. A gallon will do. It will suffice for what you're going to be doing today. I'm going to go over a couple of things that you need, or a few things that we're going to be using today. This recipe calls for strawberries and sugar, and that's all. Those are the only two ingredients in the recipe, which is great. I think that's nice because most people have sugar in their home. You're going to need quite a bit. I'm using 6 cups of sugar in this recipe. You're going to need a hot water bath canner, as well as the insert that comes in these, or some kind of wire where you can put your jars on to keep them up and off of the bottom of the canner, because you don't want those jars to crack, and that prevents them from cracking. You're going to need a jar lifter. This is 2 lifter jars up out of the hot water when needed. You are going to need an item to mash your strawberries. You can use, as I did, a potato masher. You can use a spoon, a fork. You can use your hands. Whatever works for you. I used the potato masher. It worked good. You're going to need your rings and flats. And these 2 tools are handy with canning. This one can help you to measure your headspace in your jars. And this is handy to get your lids, your flats out of the water whenever you heat your flats prior to canning. One other thing is your funnel. This is great to put down into the jar to put your fruit into your jars. These are the items you're going to need. We're going to head to the kitchen and start on this strawberry jam. I'm not going to be doing any talking or much talking during this video, if any, until the end, but I'm going to put descriptions and instructions on the screen so you will know what's going on and what to be doing. So let's head in there and get started. Well, now that that's done, I've got my strawberry jam. I got 6 half pints out of this recipe, and it turned out really great. I did a couple different size jars. You can do whatever you want. You can do it in pints. You just won't get as many, but really easy. Took a little bit of time because the boiling process, it takes some time to get that heated up to the gelling point. So just keep in mind it's going to take a little bit of time to do this, but the product is great. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you, and I hope you'll get in that kitchen and start canning you some strawberry jam too. This has been Gardening with Tracy. Thank you for watching.